Baguio is a mountain city located in the Cordillera Mountains of northern Luzon. It's often called the summer capital of the Philippines because its high elevation and pine-covered hills make it much cooler than most other parts of the country. During the hot and dry months from March to May, many Filipinos from the lowlands visit Baguio to enjoy its relatively cooler climate. Baguio City is not only known for its cool mountain climate, but also for its tasty food finds that are distinctly Baguio. The city has developed its own food culture that makes use of the abundance of produce grown in the surrounding highland regions. Baguio also continues to be a thriving hub for arts and culture in the northern Philippines. But what is Baguio like after summer? Is it worth visiting in the rainy season? We went to Baguio last July to find out. If you've been enjoying this video so far but haven't yet subscribed, we want to take the moment to invite you to join the Tiny Studios Life family. Subscribing allows us to continue creating more content and helps the channel grow. Just hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell below this video to be part of the family. Don't worry, it's totally free. From Manila to Baguio. The most common way to reach Baguio from Manila is by bus. Several bus companies like Victory Liner, Genesis, and Joy offer direct trips between Manila and Baguio. Make sure to book your tickets a few days in advance and arrive at the bus terminal at least 30 minutes before departure. Bring snacks and entertainment as well as warm clothing as the temperature drops on the way to Baguio. Expect the trip to take between 4 to 6 hours depending on the traffic conditions along the route. Going around the city. When visiting Baguio, taxis are often the most convenient way for travelers to explore the city. Baguio's hilly terrain and winding roads make walking long distances challenging. While jeepneys are available, routes are limited and the unique Baguio traffic flow can be confusing for visitors. This makes calling or hailing a taxi an appealing option. Hotel and accommodation. Baguio City offers a variety of accommodation options, from hotels to rented condominiums to Airbnbs. Being known as the summer capital of the Philippines, the tourist high season is normally the sunny months of March to May. During this peak season, room rates skyrocket at popular hotels and booking early is essential. However, when the wet season starts, demand drops as travelers shy away from potential downpours. This means great deals pop up for Baguio hotels trying to attract guests during the low season. Booking a stay during the rainy season means experiencing Baguio's moody beauty at a fraction of the price. Food. The rainy season in Baguio runs from June to October, when the city experiences misty days, chilly weather, and occasional downpours. But while the rain might dampen your outdoor activities, it can't stop Baguio's delicious food scene. 50's Diner, a blast from the past. Good taste restaurants, bang for the buck meals. Chocolate de Baterol's Pinoy Merienda. Lemon and Olive's Greek comfort food. Vanilla Cafe's posh ambience. Craft 1945's homey vibe.
Butter and rice? Butter? Yes,
Le Bloom Strawberry Donut Sandwich. Foggy Mountain Cookhouse's home-cooked goodness. Other places worth a visit. Personally, Baguio in the rainy season is the best for me. The rainy season may not seem like the ideal time for a Baguio getaway, but hopefully this video encourages you to try. The cooler temperatures and wet days make Baguio's comfort food taste even better. Rainy days are perfect for ducking into cozy cafes and restaurants to sample their specialties. And with fewer tourists around this time of year, accommodation deals abound. Now's the time to book the suite at the Manor at bargain prices or find great discounts on Airbnbs and hotels to stretch your vacation budget further. So don't let the wet weather stop you from an off-peak Baguio vacation. With delicious food, great deals, and magical scenery, rainy season has so much to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hitting the notification bell will ensure you never miss out on our latest content. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep enjoying life.